Well, fellas, today's video is going to be a little vlog style. You're going to come with me today as I get the tractor prepped and get it into brush hog mode and get out on one of our hillsides that needs brush hogging before the grass starts growing green. So what I got to do here, guys, I got to come in here. I'm missing half of one of these for the other side. So I got to manufacture something so when I back up with my bush hog, it doesn't push it and swing it over into my tire and tear the lugs off my tire. Well, fellas, this is what it's supposed to look like from the factory, and this is the wrench rig that we got. We'll have to deal with it for now. But it looks like the last thing I got to do is do an oil and filter change and be ready to put it to work. So I'm back here where the girls are, and we need to mow their winter pasture. Cause stuff's starting to bud out, and it needs to bud out close to the ground. We're wasting fuel that they can burn in their little fat bodies. So we need to mow this hillside, which doesn't look that bad, but it's fairly steep. Down in there and back up the other side, and it turns all kind of directions. But we need to get it mowed down so it'll bud out at the ground level, and they can eat some of this. So at the end of the last video, I was feeling a little bit defeated. Instead of asking God why or asking God to fix the situation, I just asked God to show me the blessings that I missed throughout the day and throughout the week. And He showed me a few of them. And then again today, this tractor's been a blessing. It's performed better because it had more weight on the front. It was able to push through the small trees and not tear the front end of the tractor up. And I'm just very blessed, and I'm glad that He showed me that. Well, guys, looks a whole lot better with it mowed now. Meant to get to it earlier this year and we had things come up and get in the way. Still need to get here and thin some more of this out and make more silvo pasture out of it. I got reminded of how limbs hurt when they hit you in the ear and how rough this hillside really is. I'll be sore for a day or two, but it's done. It's gonna take a few cannon jars to hold all this chicken. It's gonna be a lot quieter too when them jars are filled. I wish we had a home for that one right there. Flock that didn't have a rooster, because that's a big old pretty rooster. Thank you guys for coming along for part of my day today.
Please like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.
As always, God gets the glory for the good in our lives, and Jesus Christ is the Lord and Savior. Feel free to reach out with prayer requests or any questions in the email in the description below. Thank you and God bless.